HowExpert Guide to Comic Book Collecting, a 60-day step-by-step system to build, grade, store, buy, sell, and invest in comic books like a pro. HowExpert Guide to Comic Book Collecting is your complete step-by-step 60-day system for mastering the world of comics. From building and organizing your collection to grading, storing, buying, selling, and investing in valuable issues. Whether you're just getting started or you're a longtime fan ready to level up, this guide gives you the structure, tools, and confidence to build a meaningful and rewarding comic book collection. Follow a proven 60-day roadmap that uses the COMICCOLLECTOR system to guide you from casual fan to confident collector, step by step. Each chapter delivers practical lessons, real-world strategies, and daily momentum to help you collect smarter, protect your investment, and enjoy the hobby with purpose and precision. What you'll learn through this 60-day system. Introduction. Discover what makes comic book collecting rewarding and how to get the most from this system. Chapter 1. C. Chronicle the history of comics, days 1 to 4. Explore the origins, key eras, and cultural evolution that shape comic value. Chapter 2. O. Organize your collection, days 5 to 8. Create a streamlined system using smart sorting strategies and digital tools. Chapter 3. M. Maximize comic value, days 9 to 12. Learn what drives comic value, including key issues, scarcity, variance, and demand. Chapter 4. I. Invest wisely in comics, days 13 to 16. Build a smart collector portfolio that balances passion with profit. Chapter 5. C. Crack the grading code, days 17 to 21. Understand how grading works, when to slab, and how to assess condition like a pro. Chapter 6. C. Clarify your collector identity, days 22 to 25. Define your niche, set goals, and build a focused collection. Chapter 7. O. Obtain comics from smart sources, days 26-30. Buy confidently from comic shops, conventions, online markets, and unexpected places. Chapter 8. L. Lock in long-term storage, days 31 to 34. Use bags, boards, boxes, and climate protection to preserve comic value. Chapter 9. L. Locate limited editions and rarities, days 35-38. Hunt down rare finds like signed issues, sketch covers, foreign prints, and misprints. Chapter 10. E. Evaluate before you buy, days 39 to 43. Inspect comics, ask smart questions, and know when to walk away from bad deals. Chapter 11. C. Collect for cover. Art, days 44-47. Appreciate iconic comic art styles and build a visually powerful collection. Chapter 12. T. Track trends in comic culture, days 48 to 51. Stay ahead of indie titles, digital shifts, and emerging technologies like NFTs. Chapter 13. O. Offload and sell comics for profit, days 52-55. Price, package, and sell your comics with confidence on various platforms. Chapter 14. R. Retain long-term value and legacy, days 56-60. Ensure, document, and plan your collection's future for legacy or resale. Conclusion. Celebrate your growth as a collector, review your progress, and get ready for the next phase of your comic collecting journey. Appendices includes a grading checklist, glossary, inventory tracker, convention calendar, and planning worksheet. Start building your collection with clarity, purpose, and confidence. With the proven 60-day plan and the structured COMICCOLLECTOR system inside HowExpert Guide to Comic Book Collecting, you'll gain the knowledge, habits, and momentum to collect smarter and protect your comics. Build a collection you're proud of. One comic, one day, and one win at a time. HowExpert publishes how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.